Thank you. So here you can see a little footage of me painting in Photoshop. When Manuel told me the kind of work this was gonna be, I knew that the right way to go were digital media, because of its speed or agility when it comes to that kind of work. Okay. Here I am painting in Photoshop, as you can see. Okay. Yeah. At first place, I started painting Procreate. That is a very, very nice application for the iPad. But as the work gets bigger and bigger, and I started adding more and more layers, so the power of the iPad was not enough. So on that point, I had to switch to my computer. Okay, I think that I use around 160 or 150 layers. Okay, in other words, it sounds pretty big project, but I'll be honest, is the whole work could be done with less layers. Okay, but it's a matter of organization and be clean when you are painting. So the techniques I employ here are 2 or 3. Okay, there's a lot of cut and paste. As Manuel mentioned before, one particular character or one particular limb of body of a character can be in many consorts. Okay, so one part of the job was cut this character and paste it into the new canvas. Okay, and of course, when you cut a character, you left there a gap that you have to cover, to paint. And this is a kind of, I don't know how to say, it's 75% technical and 25% creative. It's not 100% creative, but anyway, it's very fun. Okay, I enjoy a lot. I enjoy a lot paint. Okay, and other technique I employ, well, is the same really. Was cutting a limb or a face or a head, and then turn it, transform it, and paste it into a new canvas. Okay, for that, it's not that simple. There are people that think that painting in digital medium is kind of cheating, but I am not agree at all. Okay, because yeah, you have to know how to paint, and choose the right color, and have lighting in mind. So, and then I had to paste the new elements and transform it, and retouch it, and of course again fill the gaps that the cut left. Okay. This, for example, is the Tiziano's hand that was moved, and then that gap is supposed to show the tapestry of the table. Okay, and then I have to paint it. Yeah, then 90% of the work here is that kind of work. Okay. And the third technique was, in fact, painting, for example, that violin that were not there in the original. I had to paint it, the whole. Or Giorgione, that is holding the lute there, with a, it's dark blue suite. Okay, I painted whole. Okay, and this was more creative because I had to follow the stencils, the outlines that Manuel gave me. But again, very fun. It's a lot of work, but it's very fun. Okay? One of the most difficult things I have to attain was to imitate the texture that the picture of the original canvas has. You can see here the texture of the canvas. That is somewhat between the texture, the real texture of the canvas, and the texture of the picture of the canvas. Okay, but when you paint and forgot that texture, the result is not quite. It's not like the. It's not so much cohesive, you know. And then you have to imitate a little bit, of course, lighting, but also the texture. And I don't know. Pretty much is all that I can say. I know I must be quick, and then Penelope, if you want to say something or.
Sí, va a pasar, va a proyectar los rayos X, lo va a enseñar, sí.
Okay.
Later,
if you have any question about the artistic part, then I can answer you some question. Okay. So.